Tesla will start selling its Cybertruck in September. They have a backlog of 1.5 million orders. They're going to be coming out of the Austin plant probably at a capacity of 250,000 a year. If Tesla manages to take a big piece of Ford's auto production with their most productive, profitable vehicle line, that would be a real game changer. So to me, that was the big headline yesterday. We'll see how things shape up.
Tesla's first Cybertruck finally rolls off the production line, albeit 2 years late. What's more, Tesla's new budget model is said to be launched soon for the Asian market. These, in turn, bid well for the company's bottom line and, consequently, investors' portfolios. First off, Tesla has finally built its first Cybertruck, ending years of delays for the much-anticipated vehicle. In a July tweet, Tesla announced that it had made its first Cybertruck at its Texas factory. Production is now expected to ramp up. The Cybertruck has been a long time coming after seemingly endless issues that delayed production by 2 years. Tesla initially planned to start shipping the vehicle in 2021, but pushed back that date to make some design changes. According to a source, it was delayed again last year to change certain features and components. Sorry for the delay, we're finally going to start delivering production Cybertrucks later this year, Musk told investors in May. And I think the product, if anything, is better than expectations. It's still unclear how much the Cybertruck will cost. In 2019, Tesla said it would be $40,000, but that's likely to change with inflation and other factors. The price is expected to increase based on the specifications. According to a crowdsourced reservation tracker from Electrek, there are about 1.9 million pre-orders for the futuristic-looking vehicle. Musk said Tesla planned to make about 250,000 Cybertrucks a year, depending on demand, with sales expected to start later this year. In light of this, Christmas has come early for the nearly 2 million Tesla enthusiasts looking to own a Tesla Cybertruck. After years of delays, the company has finally rolled off the first ever piece of the electric vehicle from its Texas factory, raising hopes that production will pick up soon. This bit of news does not only make Tesla enthusiasts happy, but the company's shareholders as well. After all, many had already expressed their optimism about the Tesla Cybertruck and its possible massive gains for the company. This is a vehicle that competes against everybody and nobody. Ivan Drury, an automotive analyst for the car shopping website Edmunds, told Insider earlier this year, "If the Cybertruck comes to fruition looking like it did at the debut, that should be more than enough. Everything else from tech and features is just icing on the cake." He compared the Cybertruck to the Hummer, a similarly large and impractical vehicle that could attract enthusiast and wealthy luxury buyers alike. Future fund managing partner Gary Black, too, is an analyst who is upbeat about the prospects for the electric pickup truck. In a tweet, Black said that the Cybertruck deliveries are likely to far exceed Wall Street estimates. He noted that the current consensus delivery estimates for 2024 and 2025 are 91,000 units and 160,000 units, respectively. Following the ramp-up, Tesla is planning for annual production of 375,000 units, the analyst said. The consensus estimates are at least 200,000 per year short, he added. This shortfall is worth 60 cents per share in incremental earnings per share estimate for 2025, assuming a $60,000 average selling price, 20% gross margin, and a 1 to 15% tax rate, Black said. According to him, this incremental earnings per share is 10% of Street's adjusted earnings per share estimate of $6 for 2025. Now the question is the Cybertruck still an attractive buy? Notably, in 2019, the Cybertruck concept was attractive and among the few options available to users who wanted an EV pickup. In the following years, a flurry of choices is open to buyers, whether from new-age manufacturers like Rivian or legacy car makers like Ford. Some potential owners might also be put off by the price of the Cybertruck when it eventually becomes available. Musk had introduced the pickup with a starting price of $40,000, but 4 years and a pandemic have sent a meteoric increase in input prices. Musk and Tesla could also be tempted to slash the prices of the Cybertruck, much like they have done for their other offerings to stay competitive in the market. But the appeal for the vehicle might be on the wane after seeing only images and videos but never the actual product. production delays were also attributed to changes in certain features, which, according to Musk, make the Cybertruck better than expectations. Tesla will need to showcase these new changes and their advantages over competing EVs if the Cybertruck is the futuristic car it portrays to be. Over the years, Tesla CEO Elon Musk slowly revealed new details about the truck and its performance. Musk has made numerous claims about the truck's purported capabilities that remain to be seen. He said the Cybertruck will be able to serve briefly as a boat and have rear-wheel steering. Its exoskeleton-based body is the opposite of how trucks are usually produced and how they usually look. It was also said that Tesla will be making 3 models of the Cybertruck, a vehicle that can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds. The base model will cost $39,900 and offer a 250-mile range between charges. The top-line truck will have twice that range and sell for $69,900. Now, on to the next bit of good news. Tesla, the American automotive company led by billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk, is eyeing new opportunities in Asia with its cutting-edge new-gen platform, which seeks to introduce more budget-friendly compact and subcompact electric vehicles that have the potential to drive large volume across developing Southeast Asian markets. In light of this, Tesla is developing its next-generation EV platform at various locations, at least according to its Q2 investor deck. Industry insiders claimed that the Tesla new budget model, which is anticipated to cost roughly $25,000, may be released by the end of 2023, even though some experts anticipate a 2025 launch. Today, Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory is its major export base and largest manufacturing facility, currently shipping to Thailand and Singapore, and will shortly begin exporting to Malaysia. Now, there's one great concern about this. China's BYD, which has a stronghold in Malaysia's developing EV industry and has surpassed Japanese EV producers in this region, presents Tesla with fierce competition in these regions. Tesla's market access comes via exporting because the region's low volume makes it impractical to build integrated gigafactories there. Additionally, the Models 3 and Y Gigafactory in Shanghai, which has a capacity of 750,000 units, has space to send vehicles to nearby markets. In a research published by Barclays, the company stated that it anticipated that Tesla's next inexpensive EV would account for 275,000 deliveries in 2026 and eventually surpass the Model Y, the company's current volume driver in terms of sales, reaching 3.5 million units annually by 2030. This is true even though sales of the Model Y are predicted to reach 1.5 million units and those of the Model 3 to reach 990,000 units. Overall, Tesla can produce 2.025 million vehicles annually with factories in the US, China, and Germany. The company's greatest production base, which consists of 2 facilities in Austin, 250,000 units, and Fremont, 650,000 units, is in the United States, although its largest unit in Shanghai produces 750,000 units. Tesla is well positioned in the developed world, including North America, Europe, Japan, Korea, Australia, and China, but it is not competitive in the developing markets, where income levels are lower and Tesla's current prices are not competitive there. In Southeast Asia, Latin America, and the Middle East, Tesla isn't competitive against Chinese brands starting offers in EVs in these regions. A $25,000 Tesla in India could be interesting, but what would be affordable is an even smaller price tag. Today, EVs in the developed world are facing price issues. Even if Tesla comes up with a $25,000 EV in India, it won't shake up the market, as Indian consumers' affordability is far less than that. Felipe Munoz, global automotive analyst JATO, said in an interview. Now listen to this. Indonesia and Malaysia are also considering providing incentives to Tesla in exchange for the company establishing local production facilities. Tesla's Asian market news has shaken the entire industry. Notably, Tesla delivered 466,140 units in April through June, an increase of 83% from the same period last year, of which the Model 3 entry-level sedan and the Model Y mid-SUV accounted for 446,915 units. In a world of inflation, Tesla is lowering cost throughout its spectrum to draw buyers. According to Tesla's Q2 shareholder deck, our operating income decreased slightly year-over-year to $2.4 billion in Q2, resulting in a 9.6% operating margin. And this was because of a lower average selling price as a result of price decreases. The firm JP Morgan expects Tesla to concentrate more on boosting sales in more mainstream price categories. Subscribe for more.